Hey everybody, it's Josh Matthews, and today I'm here to share something absolutely amazing to me. I have been in the tech industry since 1999, but I don't code. I never have. I don't expect I ever will. Never thought I could, and believe it or not, I was able to create a really cool application using chat. So my friend Mike McCullough, who's a super awesome dude, be sure to follow him, inspired me and shared with me a terrific product called Lovable. And Lovable allows people to, with a chat interface, build applications. So what I did last night and this morning is I built an application for John Mayer guitar tabs. It's actually guitar chords, so I have to change that. And here's what I made. You know, as a guitarist, one of the things that I really struggle with sometimes is when I'm learning a song or playing a song, it's having the lyrics there and the chords, having to stop and scroll through on my iPad or on my phone or even on my computer so that I'm staying in sync. And this little app that I made helps to solve that. Also, John Mayer happens to be my son Oliver's favorite musician, and he's a great guitarist, and really I made this app for him. So here's how it works. We've uploaded all of the albums, all of the different songs from no live albums, just his original albums. And when I click on a song, we've got the chords to the song, as well as the key and the scale. And if it requires a capo, there'll be a little note up here at the top indicating a capo being used. I have not yet added chord diagrams. Most musicians out there or guitarists are familiar with that. I've tried. It's a little bit challenging, but for now, this is really more than enough to not forget the song. Here we can click a button and access the song lyrics, and then we can pop out the chords. So you can have your little key right here while you're looking at the lyrics and playing the song. Additionally, we've got the scale, so that's easy to learn. This is key of E, it's E major, and all of the orange dots are the root notes. We have night mode, and that works for both the song titles, or excuse me, the specific songs as well as the overall home page, and we can select favorites as well. I'm going to click all albums now, and I'm going to sort by title. And now we have an alphabetical order listing of all of the songs. So we can go ahead and select some of these for favorites. And there they are. So you can, your little song list, whatever you're working on, is right there. I think that's about it. I mean, it's a really simple application, but it's super, it didn't take long to build. And without any developer skills, like zero developer skills, like I barely know markup, I was able to produce this, and I think it's going to be super useful for having a lot of fun and getting better at guitar and music. I think I'm going to do the same thing for some of my favorite songs. I mostly play piano and drums, so I'll probably do these, but more oriented towards piano, although this works fine. I can just have diagrams of some of the more complex chord diagrams down here. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video, and hopefully this inspires you to go ahead and check out Lovable. It helps to set up a GitHub account before you do it. It's pretty affordable. I think I've spent maybe $20 a month, but then I kind of ran out of tokens, so I had to spend a little bit more because I'm working on some other applications as well. Anyway, that's it. Hope this was fun for you. Bye for now.